Welcome to A Cartoonist Guide to the Bible. I'm Steve Thomason. In this video, I just want to show you how to navigate the Bible bookshelf. This is an interactive graphic that will take you around the site. So first of all, the introduction to the Bible, if you want to just learn what is the Bible, click right here on what is the Bible. And this image is based around the idea that the Bible is a collection of documents. It's like a big bookshelf, and it's divided into two major parts. First of all, there's the Hebrew scripture and there's the Christian scripture. And if you'd like to get an introduction to those two major parts, just click right here on these sections. Now, within each of those sections, there is a bookshelf that represents a particular genre of literature. And if you want to learn about that genre, like the Torah, the history books, the wisdom books, and the prophets, just click on any one of these bubbles to dive in and learn more about that. And if you want to know about a particular book on any one of these shelves, each book is linked and there is a guide to that book. So for instance, if you click on the book of Genesis right here on this shelf, it will take you to a cartoonist guide to Genesis, and you can dig in for more reading. So I'm going to click here back to the bookshelf. One final thing is down here, there is an interesting page on the timeline of worldviews and how you can climb into the mindset of the authors of the Bible. So again, anywhere you are on the site, you can always click right here on the bookshelf to come back to this. And there's this handy quick index to go to the book of your choice. All right, I hope you enjoy A Cartoonist Guide to the Bible.